you look at where we're headed with new technologies such as AI, which are essentially compute-driven, no single organization can afford to buy all the hardware, build up all the software, and then expand rapidly enough with the demands of their organization.
A lot of companies have realized that maintaining servers and data centers is just not their core competency. It makes a lot more sense to rely on a partner like Google Cloud to do that work for them so they can continue innovating on top of that.
Unity is the de facto tool for 3D visualizations if you want to do them in real time. It is taught in schools across the world. GCP allows us to take technology like object recognition libraries that would traditionally take months or years and allow us to get to something performant in a matter of days.
The CTO office inside of Google Cloud was created with the explicit purpose of enabling co-innovation projects.
Javier and I have a very good relationship. At the end of the day, it's really important to see the collaboration between teams to solve very real problems for our end users.
Everybody on my team would tell you the same story. We always feel like there's a partner there who's in it together with us to build this business to a billion-dollar business. With Google as a partner, we're getting the opportunity to serve our players better.
It's really hard to work in person anymore, so we see people using game engines such as Unity in order to create content.
Virtual reality is good for things that are expensive, things that are dangerous, or things that you only get one chance at. Now we live in a world where that could be something as simple as meeting with someone in an office, because now that is dangerous, that is irreplicable.
Working with GCP allows us to bring a complete offering to a whole new breed of customers. We couldn't be where we are today without a strong cloud partner.